In this video I'm going to show you how to change app icons on your iPhone. Like you see here, I got two Instagram icons and both of them opens up Instagram. That's the regular icon and that's the custom icon I've just made. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can do the same on your device. And let's begin. First we need to find any image we want to use. I'll show you on the Facebook, and for that I open my browser and look for something like that, Facebook logo. I entered it in the search bar, tap on images, and there I need to find some logo that I like. I'll use that one, and now I need to download that image to my photos. Just tap here and hold, select add to photos. Now the image was saved, and then I need to install the shortcuts application. If it's already installed on your device, just open it, and there, once you open it up, select, tap on that plus icon right here, and there select open app. If you don't have it in there in next action suggestions, you can find it using this search bar, and then just select open app, and here I can tap on the app to select the exact app that will be launched in that command, and there I need to find Facebook. That's right here, select that, and then tap on that blue icon right here to open up settings, and here select add to home screen. There I need to do two things. First, make a name for that shortcut. I'll call it Facebook, and then select icon for that shortcut. I'll tap on that. I'll next tap on choose photo, and here select the photo you downloaded. Select choose. On that step, let me show you. On that step you can crop, resize, rotate this photo if you want, and then just tap add and done. And now you see that a new shortcut for Facebook application was appeared. If I tap on that, the Facebook application is open. So you can do the same way for any of your applications, and I hope it helps you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.